Welcome to Asian Institute of Technology AIT. Founded in 1959, AIT is the leading postgraduate institute in the Asian region, offering higher education, research and outreach activities in more than 40 academic programs from 3 schools. AIT is truly international institute with a residential campus which is home to over 2,000 students, staff and faculties coming from more than 30 countries. Along with the unique learning experiences, the students, employees and their families enjoy the vibrant living campus of AIT, be it the green environment, the sports activities or the AIT International School in the campus. The main campus of AIT is just 40 km north from central Bangkok. In 10 km of vicinity, AIT is surrounded by Navanakon Industrial Estate, several square kilometers of agricultural land, and mixed residential and commercial areas. The Thammasat University and the National Science and Technology Development Agency NSTDA are our next-door neighbors. AIT is committed to promote technological innovation and sustainable development in the Asia-Pacific region and beyond. Research at AIT is tailored to address different goals and targets necessary for the future industrial and environmental demands, smart communities and economies. The air and water qualities are among them, aiming for good health and well-being under SDG 3, sustainable cities and communities under SDG 11, and responsible consumption and production under SDG 12. The environmental sensors will help us not only to monitor the real-time air quality at different locations around AIT campus, but also the data will be useful for modeling and predictions in the future.
Last year, Dr. Dongpo invited me to join the seminar of the OCF activity. I found the concept of the project very interesting, and my personal research focus is also about the integration of sensor data and remote sensing data, which is my topic of the doctoral degree and my postdoc research. And my background is the environmental scientist, so that I sent the idea for collaborating with the OCF for air pollution monitoring in AIT campus and Bangkok. Personally, I always believe that geospatial research needs the hardware, software, and the people. People in this context, I mean the knowledge and the skill. Many times that my students cannot perform the research due to the lack of the data and equipment. Therefore, this sensor will not be used just only for the environmental monitoring purpose, but we will use them for the research and skill development as well. Additionally, the data handling of big data observation from the sensor and setting up the suitable infrastructure, visualize data processing will be a practical experience for us and AIT partnership, which is at a huge variable as well.
We have collaboration with local business company in Thailand, which develop a platform for IoT device called JetStream. Since our data are feed and updated into the PM2.5 Open Data Portal, we use JetStream to collect data into our server. Then we have planned to manipulate and make a real-time visualization air map in AIT, along with wireless mapping platform which developed by IBIS company also. The wireless platform also certified OGC standard API series and open data scheme. This will be beneficial to our community to know about PM2.5 situation in real time. The installation of this environment sensor has been done by Office of Facility and Asset Management team. The device has given by OCF are well designed and have very good simple configuration. We just plug in the power and set up Wi-Fi is done. And all installation costs as covered by AIT Living Live IoT sensor in campus. We have considered multiple ambient scenarios in our community by select the location for 14 stations in our campus. For example, the station that we install is AIT International School, cafeteria, academic building, and our student dormitory. This is all around and via observation.
As you have seen that in this project, we have several partners and stakeholders. We implement this project among several units since we know their expertise and requirements. Because we wish the lesson learned from this project will be able to proceed for the real practical use case. This time, it's just a seedling steps which we can use as a prototype and showcase to the funding agency and stakeholders. We also would like to extend the scope of the work for the water quality monitoring and industrial area.